The avocado has been part of the human diet for thousands of years. Some nutritionists claim that it contains everything a human needs to survive. Avocados certainly do have countless benefits, and in this video we are going to look at 5 of those benefits of this superfruit. But before you go rushing to the avocado farm to fill your basket, stick around until the end to learn all about why they're so good for you. Welcome to Body and Mind. Before we get started on our list, a quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and also to subscribe to Body and Mind for more videos just like this one. But now back to avocado. 1. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. If you're looking to boost your vitamin intake, avocado is definitely the food for you. The avocado contains a variety of nutrients, including 20 different vitamins and minerals, like vitamin K, C, A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and E, not to mention folate, potassium, magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, and phosphorus. Along with all of this, a 100 gram serving of avocado contains 160 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 15 grams of healthy fats. 2. Avocado boosts your fiber intake. Fruit, vegetables, and beans are known to have high fiber content, and avocados are no exception. A 100 gram serving of avocado contains 7 grams of fiber, which is 27% of the recommended daily amount. But it is very low in carbohydrates. Consuming higher fiber can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. 25% of the fiber is soluble, which feeds the friendly gut bacteria in your intestine. This plays a very important role for the optimal body function. 3. Avocado reduces the risk of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome includes conditions such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, abnormal cholesterol levels, and excess body fat that can work together to increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Avocados are high in fat, with 60% of this being monosaturated fats. They are also very high in potassium, which helps protect against these types of conditions. 4. Avocado improves your eye health. Avocados contain the antioxidant lutein, which plays a role in preventing age-related eye disease, such as cataracts, and offers improved cognitive performance. Just 1 avocado a day could potentially keep your eyesight in top condition. 5. Be beautiful. In addition to their nutritional value, avocados are great for DIY skincare. Avocados can smooth dry sunburnt skin, as well as nourish and give your hair a glossy shine. So if you fancy a bit of a pamper day, why not make up your own avocado hair mask or face mask? There's no reason why you can't feel good on the outside as well as on the inside. We certainly recommend that you get your running shoes on now and get to that avocado farm. But before you do, what do you think of the goodness in an avocado? Are there enough vitamins? Let us know in the comments box, and please like this video if you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then subscribe to Body and Mind for more. Thanks for watching.